Incredible recovery, Jeremy Renner's triumph over near-death experience. Renowned Marvel star, Jeremy Renner, has demonstrated remarkable resilience and bravery after narrowly escaping a life-threatening accident on New Year's Day. The incident, which occurred in 2022, left fans and the entertainment industry stunned as news of his near-death experience spread rapidly. Renner's journey to recovery has been nothing short of extraordinary. Over the past year, the actor has embraced life with an unwavering determination, inspiring others with his strength and resilience. While known for his on-screen superhero portrayals, this real-life incident has showcased his extraordinary heroism off-screen. The New Year's Day accident of 2022 was a pivotal moment in Renner's life. The details surrounding the incident have been shrouded in mystery, but it is widely reported that the actor came dangerously close to losing his life. Since that fateful day, Renner has been committed to making each moment count, and has become an advocate for living life to its fullest. Many have marveled at Renner's incredible recovery and his renewed zest for life. Throughout his journey, the actor has chosen to direct his energy towards positivity and personal growth. His ability to bounce back from such a traumatic experience has undoubtedly been an inspiration to his fans worldwide. Renner's devoted followers have witnessed his personal transformation firsthand. Through social media posts and candid interviews, he has shared his newfound appreciation for life's precious moments. The actor's uplifting messages of resilience and gratitude have resonated deeply with those who admire him. While details of the accident itself remain undisclosed, Renner's commitment to embracing life and inspiring others has become his primary focus. This incredible display of strength has positioned the Marvel star as a real-life hero in the eyes of many. As we enter the new year, the world eagerly anticipates what lies ahead for Jeremy Renner. Will he continue to spread his message of positivity while captivating audiences with his on-screen performances? One thing is certain, Renner's near-death experience has forever changed him, propelling him into a new chapter of his life filled with gratitude, determination, and a deep appreciation for the precious gift of life.